Landa Fractional Investing App. The pros, the cons. Landa offers fractional investing. Let users buy pieces of expensive stocks, but how effective is it? Starting with the pros first, affordability. Landa allows users to invest in high-price stocks with just a few dollars. Second, diversification. Fractional investing makes it easier to spread money across multiple stocks without large upfront capital. Third, user-friendly design. Landa simplifies investing, making stock markets accessible for beginners. Now, the cons. One drawback is limited advanced tools. Active traders may find the platform lacks sophisticated analytics or research options. Another limitation is fees. While low, small percentages on fractional trades can accumulate for frequent investors. The surprising truth. Landa is perfect for new investors who want exposure to high-value stocks without large investments, but may not meet advanced trader needs. In conclusion, the pros affordability, diversification, and simplicity make Landa ideal for beginner investors. The cons limited advanced features and small fees may discourage experienced traders.